Testing, testing, testing. Hi there guys, my name is Rohan Beve, and in today's video we are going to be talking about what exactly is welding. Now, in today's video we are going to be talking about what is welding and what is it good for, okay? And what exactly is it, okay? So maybe have you been through maybe any construction site, right? Maybe while you're walking by there, you see some people wearing masks with these tools, using some pieces of metal, and you just see a bunch of hot sparks, okay? Like these sparks flying everywhere, right? And that person most likely is welding. But what exactly is welding, okay? Well, you see, welding is the process of combining two pieces of metal and combining them together, okay, by melting the parts that need to be connected and then cooling them down to create a strong one strong whole piece, okay? So more or less how it's used is they take like welding tools, right? They take two sheets of metal, okay, stick them together, and then this welding tool, okay, will basically create heat. Now this heat can come from many things. It can come from electricity, gas flames, lasers, and even friction, okay? So all of these stuff will basically create a butt ton of heat, okay? That will start melting the metal itself, okay? And as the metal melts, right, it slowly starts to combine with each other, right? And then after that, once it's cool, right, it'll just become one strong big piece, okay? That's exactly what welding is, okay? Now, some common types of welding can include arc welding, which more or less uses electricity to create that heat and weld, okay? Some examples of arc welding can include stick welding, MIG welding, and TIG welding. Now, as I said in the example before, while welders are like welding, they have to wear these masks, especially for arc welding, right? And they have to use these special designed helmets because you see, while using the without using the helmet, right, and you're just doing the welding, while you see the welding can cause, it basically creates bright light and can also create UV radiation and just these hard sparks that can basically hurt you, right? And some conditions you can get can include arc eye as well, just from arc welding. So that's why it's always important to use a welding mask, and you shouldn't see the bright light fully, okay? So always use a helmet. So that's arc welding. Second type of welding includes gas welding, which basically uses gas flames. So it basically uses the flames of various gases, right, to melt the metals, and is more or less used for repairs of metals or used to combine very thin metals, okay? Another type of welding can include spot welding, where what happens is they just basically press two sheets of metal together, okay? So what is welding used for? So what are some examples that welding can be used for? Some examples can include, it more or less can be used to build bridges, buildings, cars, trains, ships, machines, and etc. Okay? So without welding, all of like the buildings and stuff, they wouldn't be here today, okay? So that's why welding is important. And that's basically what it is and what it does. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video, and hope to see you next time. Bye-bye.